If you're lucky, you might have noticed a 50p trading card included in your Change Checker deliveries from time to time. But did you know that you can now find the new £2 trading cards too? That's because we've recently released our very first batch of trading cards to feature UK circulating £2 coins. From the rare Commonwealth Games Northern Ireland to the iconic Shakespeare Histories, you have the chance to get your hands on some of Britain's best £2 coins as exclusive trading cards included free in your Change Checker deliveries. Now, we've already seen so many collectors loving the Change Checker trading cards and swapping them on our Change Checker community group on Facebook to help each other build up complete collections. But it doesn't stop there. We've even seen these cards being sold on the secondary market, with some cards in particular previously fetching up to £25. So, if you're new to this channel or you aren't sure what the Change Checker trading cards are all about, stick around as I'll be giving you a run through of these exciting collectibles and how you can get your hands on them. And don't forget, if you like the sound of this video and want to see more just like this one, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. And if you're watching on Facebook or Instagram, we'd really love it if you gave us a like too. The Change Checker trading cards are collectible cards featuring UK commemorative coin designs, specifications, and a key fact about that very coin. It's a fun collecting challenge for Change Checkers to get involved in. So far, all Queen Elizabeth II circulating 50p's have featured on trading cards, and there's now also a batch of 11 new £2 card designs to collect. But what makes the Change Checker trading cards particularly exciting is that each card has been printed in a quantity that reflects its scarcity. So, for example, the new Commonwealth Games Northern Ireland £2 trading card will be harder to come by than the Shakespeare Histories trading card, just like the very real-life £2 coins. So this really does make for the thrill of the hunt of these cards almost as exciting as finding one of these rare commemorative coins in your change. Now remember, these trading cards will be included from time to time with your Change Checker deliveries, but you can also swap your cards within the Change Checker community group on Facebook. So make sure if you haven't already joined that you click the link in the description box below so you can start swapping and trading there. What's more, the Change Checker trading cards also fit perfectly into your Change Checker Plus album pages, making for a really great way to store, protect and display your exciting new collection. If you do have any trading cards in your collection, we would love to know in the comments below. Have you been lucky enough to discover a new £2 card? Or perhaps you found some of the scarcer 50p designs? Make sure you're also following our social channels as we often run giveaways with our trading cards as some of the prizes that are up for grabs. Now, you can find out all of the information about our channels in the description box below. And if you want to find out more about the Change Checker trading cards, you can head to our blog by following the link on screen now. And you'll also find the link to our FAQ page in the description box below. As ever, thanks for watching and we will see you all next time.